Hello students, welcome back. So I am Sanya Sethi, your science teacher. So in our previous video we had discussed about various organ systems, that there are many different type of organ systems in our body. So I hope you have watched the videos, and today we are going to start with the skeletal system. So let's study about the skeletal system. So the skeletal system is made up of a framework of bones called skeleton, and a joint is the place where two or more bones are joined together. So students, a human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. But do you know when a baby is born, it has 300 bones. But the bones join together as we grow up, and then we have in all 206 bones. We have various types of bones in our body, like the ribs, the skull, the spine, the bones in our arms and legs. So what are joints? As I have told you, joints are the place where two bones meet, and they also help our body to move. Like I am able to move my arm. Why? Because here is a joint. It helps us to move our arm. We are able to sit or stand comfortably. Why? Because in our knees we have joints. Joints help us to easily move. Students, let's now discuss some of the functions of our skeletal system. Functions of skeletal system. So the first function is that it gives shape to the body. Second is it protects our internal organs. And third is it helps us to move. So the first function of our skeletal system is that it gives shape to our body. Yes, it is the basic thing that gives structure, shape to our body. Like without bones, we will not be able to stand, we will not have a base. So it gives a basic shape and support to our body. And the second function that we have studied is that it protects our internal organs. So it is like a cover. Otherwise we would get injured very easily. It is just like a cover of protection to our internal organs. Then the third function that we have studied is that it helps us move. Like we have discussed, joints are there, bones are there, so they are there for us to help in movement. We are able to move with the help of bones. So to make these points more clear, let's watch an interesting video.
Ghost! You said you're never scared. This is just a human skeleton, a model of human bones, maybe from school laboratory. See, let me make him stand.
Oh, it looks like a human without skin and other organs.
Yeah, these are just bones.
Let me talk to him. Hey, how are you?
Jimmy, he does not have any muscles like tongue, so he can't speak.
But can you tell me about him?
Yes, this provides support to our body.
How?
See it by magic. Jimmy, can you see this shirt in a hanger?
Yes.
Let's see. If we remove the hanger, what happens?
Shirt falls down if we remove the hanger.
See, if bones don't stand up, our body would be like a lump of mud. Also, it saves our heart and lungs from any damage.
Yes, you are right. Skeleton supports our body. It protects our body organs.
So students, I hope you must have enjoyed the video and understood the concept by now. So you must have understood why our bones are so important. and it is very important to take care of our bones also. So let us discuss some of the points through which we can take care of our bones in a healthy way. So how to keep our bones healthy? Eat lots of vegetables. We should eat lots of green leafy vegetables to keep our bones strong. Exercise regularly. We should do exercise and yoga to stay fit and healthy. Consume high calcium diet. We should eat food that contain calcium like milk and milk products. Take vitamin D and vitamin K. We should include food items that are rich in vitamin D and vitamin K in our diet. Maintain a healthy weight. You should not be underweight or overweight to keep your bones healthy. So students, I think now you must have understood why it is important to take care of our bones and keep our bones in a good condition. So yesterday I had given you a homework that you had to search 5 amazing facts about the skeletal system. Now after watching the video, you have to write in the comment section one amazing fact that you have searched. And don't forget to like and subscribe and write your name and section in the comment box. Till then, take care.